Hello students, the next open word class today we will talk about is adjective, and its symbol is AJ. Now you know that when we study open word class we try to understand them with three types of tests: function, form and meaning. Now let's understand the function of adjective. You already know that adjectives are words used to express the quality, quantity, number, and to point out the person or a thing. For example, uh, many rooms. So here many is quantity, two rooms. Here this word to functions as adjective. Cold wave. These things you already know. Now adjectives in general have three functions. The first is as head of an adjective phrase. For example, look at in this sentence. The boy was very polite. Now this whole if we try to understand the basic pattern of this sentence, you get subject, verb here or predicate, and here you have a complement. Now very polite, here polite is adjective and that is why here it works as head. Very is modifier, and this whole phrase is called adjective phrase since its head is adjective. So here in this sentence and in this adjective phrase, adjective works as head. Adjective functions as modifiers in a noun phrase. That is NP. For example, see, an honest teacher is rare. Now, the basic sentence pattern of this sentence is subject, verb and complement. Now look at this, an honest teacher. This is NP. Why it is NP? Because its head is a noun. And here honest is adjective, and here it works as modifier of this head. So in earlier example, adjective functions as head. Now in this example it functions as modifier. As a complement, the third important function is as a complement in a sentence. Now for example, the person is honest. Now this honest is complement because it talks about the quality of the person, and since honest is adjective, here it is working as complement to this person. So you see that adjective can function as head of an adjective phrase, as a modifier in a phrase, and as a complement in a sentence. Now if we talk about the form of the adjectives, you know that we generally define adjectives into gradable adjectives and non-gradable adjectives. This you can get information in any grammatical book. For example, the examples of gradable adjectives are related with the size, age, etc. For example, large, small, young, old, etc. So gradable adjectives can be modified by the degree adverbs like very, rather, utterly, etc. Now non-gradable adjectives refer to all or non-qualities like nationality. For example, Indian, man. Now this Indian is here adjective, and you cannot say that little Indian, large Indians, big Indian. So this is a non-gradable adjective. As far as the meaning is concerned, the third test, adjectives show the quality or the property of nouns. They refer to physical quality, psychological qualities, or evaluative qualities. For example, physical quality, if you say talk about the color, shape of a thing. For example, round table. Okay, the physical quality of table. Psychological quality, for example, uh, timid, or wonderful nature, etc. So evaluative, when you talk about the make the comment of evaluation like nice, excellent, etc. So these all come under the meaning of that is the third type of test applied to determine the adjective. The notable thing here is that the adjectives can come between determiner the and head of an NP. For example, so this is the frame of the adjective used between the determiner. For example, the big statue. So what you have to remember here is that the three functions of adjective. Thank you.